In this video, I'll show you how to prepare mason bee tubes with paper liners. Let's get right to it. I'll start with a regular piece of paper. You may choose to use an eco-friendly type or even parchment paper. You'll also need a rounded chopstick, some scissors, and some mason bee tubes. Begin by cutting the paper into 2-inch strips. These don't have to be super accurate, just as straight as possible. You should get about 6 strips per sheet. Next, I'll roll the strip on an angle around the chopstick so that the sides overlap. This needs to be done tightly. If there are any bumps or uneven areas, it may not fit inside the tube. Carefully slide the chopstick into the tube and then remove it, leaving the liner behind. Twist one end several times and then flatten it on the table. Using the scissors, cut off the other end flush with the tube and use the chopstick to open the liner end. All done. Here are a few more examples. It takes a bit of practice, but once you get the hang of wrapping the strips around the chopstick, it goes quite quickly. I usually pick up my mason bee tubes on Amazon. I get them at 5 or 6 inches in length with a diameter of around 5/16. I like to bundle my tubes together using rubber bands. This makes it easier to organize and move them. Yup, I've got some work to do. Well, folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.